Okay, welcome to BarModel Reasoning Part 2. These four problems are very similar to the problems in Part 1. They exist to help you get used to working from a drawing and to help deepen your understanding of operations. Okay, here is problem number 1. Go ahead and on the first section on your paper, write the math sentence that this drawing represents and solve for the question mark. Stop the tape while you do your work and then restart it to see the answer. When you look at the drawing, you can see that we have 12 in all, and it is split equally between 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And we're trying to find out what is in 2 of those boxes. The operation that allows us to split a quantity into equal parts and find out what is in one part, of course, is division. So with 4 parts in all, that would be 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3. So that tells us that 3 is in one part. We are dealing with 2 groups of 3, and of course that is 6. Okay, here is problem number 2. Go ahead and write what you believe is the math sentence that represents this drawing and then solve for the question mark. Stop the tape while you do your work and restart the tape to check your solution. Okay, in this drawing we see that we have 2 equal boxes, but then we have an additional 6, and of course we have 26 in all. Well, what I would like to do is to remove that 6, take it away, so that I end up with just the 2 equal boxes and can divide to find what is in one box. The operation that would allow me to take 26 away from this total is, of course, subtraction. 26 minus 6 is equal to 20. Now that tells me that there's 20 in these 2 boxes all together. So I want to split 20 into 2 equal parts, and of course that is the operation of division. And 20 divided by 2 tells me that there are 10 in each part. So an answer to the question is 10. Okay, here is problem number 3. Off you go. Write the math sentence that the drawing represents and then solve for the question mark. Stop the tape while you do your work and restart when you want to see the solution. Okay, in this drawing, I see that there are 30 all together, and that 30 has 2 equal boxes inside of it and a 2. Again, if I can get rid of this 2, just take it away from the total, then I will have 2 equal boxes, and I can just divide that leftover amount by 2. So the operation that allows me to take away 2, of course, is subtraction. So 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So there's 28 in these 2 boxes all together, and I know that they're equal amounts. So 28 divided into 2 equal parts would give me 14 in each part. So there's 14 in this box. So to find out what there is in all, I would need to do 14 plus 2, which is equal to 16. Good to go. Okay, this is the 4th problem, the last problem in this set. You will notice that the question mark is in a little different place on this one, so you want to be cautious and make sure you answer the true question. Off you go. Write the math sentence that represents the drawing, then solve to find out what is the value of that distance around the question mark. Stop the tape while you do your work and turn it back on when you're ready for a solution. Okay, when I look at this drawing, I see that I have 63 in all, and what makes up that 63 are 3 equal boxes and a 3. So again, I'm going to get rid of the 3 with subtraction. 63, take away that 3. That gives me 60. So 60 is split into 3 equal boxes. I want to find out what is in one box, so it would be 60 split into 3 equal boxes would be 20. So there is 20 in each box. Then to solve for the question mark, I am finding the difference between the bottom row and the top row. To do that, I would need to go 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. All right, good job, guys. Thanks for your attention and good focus. This ends this first section of just working from the drawings. Now, when you go to Reasoning and BarModel Part 3, you will find word problems. Enjoy.